Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. See this another design, a good design by using triangles. Actually, the code behind it is this is the code. This code I explained already in rainbow hexagon video. You can check that video and see the detailed explanation of this code. Now here I am going to show you how can we use the same code for different designs. That is, in that video I shown this design drawn by using hexagons. Here you can see these are triangles. In that case we use hexagons instead of these triangles. Okay, here in this function in the fifth line it is used for drawing a polygon, triangles, squares, pentagon, hexagon, etc. like that. In that case we drawn hexagon. Here in this case we drawn triangles. Okay, for that I changed just this line, 14th line, shape 40, 3. That is three sides, so it drawn triangles. In that case we have given here as 6, so it drawn hexagons. That is the only change. Okay, now I can show you how this code is running, and then I will show some more designs also. Okay, by touching here it will close, and again I can execute the code. Then you can see how it is drawing triangles, 7 triangles. Then it shifts 60 degree, then draws another 7 triangles, like that it repeats. After completing this, another set of triangles are drawn, then another set, then another set, then another set, and the final set here, and it completes. Okay, now I am taking the code and I am changing this 3 to 4. Then it draws squares. Control S to save this one, and by touching here I can close this, and again I can run with that value 4. Okay, then it is drawing squares. You can see the same design with squares, that's all, but it is differently looking. Okay, set of squares. Like that we can choose pentagons, hexagon, like that. Okay, one more design I will show you. For that I am changing the code again. Instead of this 4 we are choosing 12 sides, and I am changing the size of the side as just 10. Okay, 10 or 15. Okay, size. Okay, 10 itself. Then it will be similar to a circle. Sides are very small, and 12 times it is changing the direction. That is a polygon of 12 sides actually we are drawing. Okay, Control S Control S to save this one. Then I am going to execute it. Yes, which is somewhat similar to a circle. This polygon have 12 sides and each side size is very less, that is 10 units. That is why it is very similar to a circle. Then the same procedure done and we will get this design. By changing the number in that, also you can change the colors, also you can change the thickness of the pen size you can change. Also you can try with changing the shifting direction, that is 60 degree to 70 degree or like that. You can check with different directions, you will get some other designs. Okay, anyway, I think you enjoyed this code. For getting more such codes, beautiful designs, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time.